In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in Smartsheet. We'll keep things simple and practical by walking through a quick example, adding up a set of numbers with a sum formula. This is a great starting point because it shows you exactly where formulas live in Smartsheet and how to apply them without getting overwhelmed. Start by going to your sheet, the one that already has the data you want to work with. Once your sheet is open, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see the main options toolbar. Among those options, find Formulas and click it. When you do, a panel will open on the right side of the screen. Think of this panel as your formula assistant. It's where you can discover functions, type them out, and build a formula with guidance, instead of having to remember every detail on your own. Since we're using a sum example, we'll keep our focus there. In the Formulas area, type Sum. This tells Smartsheet you want to add a group of values together. Now, click and drag to highlight the cells in the column you want to total. Start at the first value and pull down through the last one you want included. Take a moment to make sure your selection is accurate. If you accidentally grab a header or skip a row, just adjust your selection so it covers exactly the cells you need. This matters because your result will only reflect the cells you've chosen. With the range selected, hit Apply. That's it. Smartsheet will calculate the result for you and place the outcome where it belongs. Behind the scenes, it has created a sum formula that references the cells you selected. Anytime those selected cells change, your total updates automatically, so you don't have to redo anything when your data shifts. This same approach works for many other functions available in the Formulas panel. You'll find options for math, text, dates, logic, and more. If you're curious, scan the list to see what's possible and read the short descriptions. It's a great way to understand what each function does without leaving your sheet. To recap, open your sheet, click Formulas at the top to open the panel on the right. Type Sum, click and drag to select the cells you want to add, and hit Apply. Once you've tried it, you'll be ready to explore other functions the same way and build confidence step by step.